Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to play the Twin Peaks theme on piano. We'll begin by understanding the overall feel of this iconic piece, known for its haunting and atmospheric quality. The theme is primarily in the key of F major, which sets its distinctive mood. We will break down the piece into manageable sections, starting with the left hand's foundational chords and then moving to the right hand's expressive melody. This approach will help you master the song step by step. For the left hand, you'll primarily be playing a progression of 4 chords: F major, D minor, B flat major, and C major. These chords form the harmonic backbone of the theme. Focus on playing them smoothly and with a sustained quality, allowing each chord to resonate. The tempo is moderately slow, so take your time to ensure each note is clear and contributes to the overall atmospheric sound. Practice transitioning between these 4 chords fluidly. Now, let's turn our attention to the right hand, which carries the theme's memorable melody. This melody is typically played in a higher register, creating a sense of longing and mystery. Emphasize legato playing, connecting each note smoothly to the next. Pay close attention to the dynamics, using subtle variations in volume to convey the emotional depth of the piece. A light, delicate touch will help achieve the signature haunting quality of the Twin Peaks theme. To master the Twin Peaks theme, begin by practicing each hand separately until you feel completely comfortable with both parts. Once you're ready, combine your hands at a very slow tempo, focusing on coordination and timing. Gradually increase your speed as your confidence grows. The sustain pedal is crucial for this piece. Use it to blend the notes and create a rich, atmospheric sound. Remember to listen intently to ensure a good balance between the melody and the accompaniment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.